on a road, go do the thing now. Herbal laws, magical laws, yeah.
A lot of people avoid gardening or farming because they don't like to get their hands dirty. Yeah, but Mahatma Gandhi was interviewed once, and the interviewer asked him, what's the best way to find peace with yourself? You know, he said, one that uses his hands, you know, to do creative work. You know, that's the fastest way to find peace. So when you use your hands to be creative, when you use your hands to do farming, then you find peace fast. Because when you get engulfed in, you know, using your hands, especially in farming, you forget everything that you were thinking about and focus on the farming. The joy of farming is sometimes, especially when you plant and you can reap. You know, like now I just reap this little pop choy. Yeah man, that is a joy. So my advice to a youth that is coming up, a young youth that is coming up, there's not only money in farming, but as I said, using your hands to be creative, or using your hands to till the soil, or using your hands to plant, you can find peace right there. And also you can earn big bucks from farming. Yeah, right here I'm doing some gardening where I plant herbs for tea. Yeah, you can set up a business out of that, or you can do different type of farming. Yeah, don't follow the stigma, you know, that farmers don't make money. Yeah, farmers make money, and you will feel good when you realize that you are a part of feeding and the nation. Yeah man, I know it will feel good when you realize that you are a part of feeding the nation. So get your hands dirty man, get your hands dirty and do some farming. It also feel good when you see the things you plan coming to fruition. Yeah man. Farming and gardening also allow you to know what you are eating. You know, when you plant your own food, when you plant your own vegetables, when you plant your own herb for teas, yeah, if it's even planting herb to smoke, when you plant your own herb to smoke, then you're sure what you are smoking. Yeah, yeah, because herb good for the brain. Yeah, And I don't smoke, but herb is good for the brain because you can use also the herb to make tea. Yeah? But when you plant your own herb, even if you have to smoke it, you're sure what you are smoking. And I'm not encouraging people to smoke, but if you think so you have to smoke, learn to plant your own herb, man. Yeah, man, you will have a healthier brain. Yeah, because sometimes the things that people put on the herbs they plant for them to come quick, yeah, it do more damage than good to the brain. Yeah, so I'm not encouraging people to smoke. Yeah, because I know youths watch my content. Yeah, and I'm not encouraging you to smoke. Yeah, but it's also not something that I can stop. So if you think say you have to smoke, because I see a lot of youth get hurt, you know, by smoking herb, you know. But what kind of herb and where does it comes from? Yeah, man. So if you have to smoke herb, learn to plant your own herb, man. Yeah. Get your hands dirty. You can make big bucks from farming, and you can also find peace in doing farming. Yeah, man. So herbal laws out.